Hello students, how are you? Last time we have studied all formulas related to surface area and volume. Now today we'll start chapter exercise 13.1. Now one or two problems we'll see. First question, this question number 1, you will see what is saying. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Two cubes. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So my dear students, two cubes. You see the figure. This is one cube. This is second cube. This is first cube. This is second cube. When two cubes are joined end to end, hear this, and volume of each cube is given. So volume of each cube is given 64 centimeter cube. So volume of cube, that is L cube, is equal to 64. L cube means 64 means 64 cube. So if you take cube root both sides, so therefore L is equal to 4 centimeter. Hear this problem. So now next, according to question, what is asking? Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. When two cubes are joined end to end, when two cubes are joined end to end, then you see this is the resulting cuboid we get. So what is the length side of this each cube? We have got 4 centimeter. When we join two, then it is also 4 centimeter, and this breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. When two cubes are joined end to end, so what will happen? Only length will increase and breadth or height will remain same. So according to question, length of resulting cuboid, that is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter, and breadth is 4 centimeter, height also 4 centimeter. So therefore, what is asking? Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So surface area of resulting cuboid means what are the visible? Here full cuboid is visible. So it means total surface area of resulting cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into LB, 8 into 4, BH, 4 into 4, HL, 4 into 8. So it is 8 for the 32, 4 for the 16, 4 8 the 32. So 2 into 32 plus 32, 64 plus 60, it is 16 plus 80, 80 into 2, 160 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of resulting cuboid when two cubes are joined end to end. In board exam, they can change the statement. In place of 2 cubes, he can ask if 3 cubes are joined end to end. When 3 cubes are joined end to end, then no problem, only length will increase. 4 plus 4 plus 4, length will become 12 centimeter, breadth and height will remain same, and then you can find out the total surface area of resulting cuboid. So how they can change the statement, this also we are guiding you. So now Next question. Second question you read. 5 or 10 seconds you read. This second question. What is given? First you will make the figure of this statement. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. A vessel is in the form of cylindrical and it is mounted on a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. This complete diameter is 14. So diameter is given 14 centimeter. So therefore radius is equal to half of diameter, that is 7 centimeter. So its radius is 7 centimeter. And what is given? Total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. This total height is 13 centimeter. So this total height is equal to 13 centimeter. So therefore, my dear students, what is height of cylinder? That is h, you can see. This is the height of cylinder. Then complete total height minus this hemisphere, this radius, this radius, this radius, this also radius. So total height minus radius of hemisphere 7. This is the 6 centimeter. This is the height of cylindrical portion. So my dear students, you see only one thing we have learned. How to find out the height of cylindrical portion? Total height minus radius of hemisphere. So radius, that is height of the hemisphere, we have to learn. Understand? So now in the question, what is asking? Find the inner surface area of vessel. So according to question, inner surface area of vessel. So my dear students, it was told last time also, when you will find out the surface area, you will see the only outer surface of the object. When two figures are joined, you see the outer surface. Just you see outer surface means just like this one, this outer surface only you see. So it means you see outer surface of this, that is curved surface area of cylindrical portion plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Clear this? So when two figures are joined, you see this is the CSA of hemisphere, and this is this one round figure of this around this circular. This is the CSA of cylinder, and what is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. CSA of hemisphere formula 2 pi r square. So that it was told, then you have to learn the formula on the tips, so you can do the calculation fast. So 2 pi r common, then it is h plus it is r. So 2 pi r s, this is the CSA of cylinder, and 2 pi r square, this is the CSA of hemisphere. So 2 pi r common, h plus r. 2 pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7. H means height of cylindrical part, 6 plus 7, this cancel, 44 into 6 plus 7, 13. So 13 4 ja 52, 13 4 52 plus 5, 57, 572 centimeter square. This is the inner surface area of vessel. So inner surface area vessel means we have to add these two CSA of the portion, cylindrical portion and hemispherical portion. Understand? So my dear students, one more question, you see, it was the question number 2. Clear this? So now one more question. So third question, you see what is it saying in question number in question number 3. You read this 5 seconds. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. A toy is in the form of cone. This toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. Hear this. And radius is 3.5 centimeter. This radius is 3.5 centimeter. So radius 3.5 centimeter. And total height of the toy is 15.5. This total height is 15.5 centimeter. So total height of toy, that is 15.5 centimeter. So therefore, what is height of conical part? So this is the height of conical part, that is h. Total height 15.5, and it was told in last question it is radius. Near this length you minus. So total height minus radius of hemisphere. This is the height of conical portion. Understand? So now my dear students, in this question you are asking find the total surface area of the toy. We have to find the total surface area of toy. So I have told you see the for surface area, you see the outer part, you see this is the conical part and lower is spherical, hemispherical part. So it means CSA of cone, conical part, and bottom CSA of hemispherical part you have to find out. And CSA of cone, you know pi RL, and this is 2 pi r square. So my dear students, pi RL, CSA of cone, radius you are having, height you are having, L you are not having. So first of all you find out the L. L means slant height of the conical part. So first you find out L. What is H given? 12, and radius it is 3.5. If you remove decimal, 35 by 10, that is 7 by 2 centimeter. So in place of radius you can put here 7 by 2 whole square. So 12 square 44, 7 square 49 by 4. So 4 is the LCM. 4 into 144, 576, 49. So this is 625 by 4. So this is 25 by 2, and this is 12.5 centimeters. I think my dear students, any doubt? So 12 square 144, 7 by 2 square 49 by 4. 4 is the LCM. Hear this. 4 into 144, 576 plus 49, 625 by 4. 625 square root is 25, 4 square root is 2, 25 by 2, 12.5. So now, what is asking? He is asking, find the L you have got 12.5 centimeter. Now he is asking, find the total surface area Y. So according to question, total surface area of toy. So he is saying total, but total means full toy he is saying. Meaning is this, total means. He is not saying find the total surface area of conical part, total surface area of cylindrical part. If you say total surface area of conical part, you are finding pi r into L plus r. That is wrong. So it was told about surface area, whatever is visible, that is you have to find out. So TSA means total surface area of this full object. Meaning is this. So, but it was told when the two figures are joined, what is visible part you have to find out. Visible part means you see, this is a toy. Understand? This inside portion not visible. This conical CSA, this hemispherical CSA is visible surface. Then you have to find out the visible surface area. Understand? So TSA of toy means CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So what is CSA of cone? Pi r L, and CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r square. So pi r, you can take pi r common, L plus pi r common. If pi r common, then L is here, pi r common, then L plus 2r. Now put the values, 22 by 7, radius 7 by 2, L we have got 12.5 centimeter plus 2r, r is 7 by 2, this cancel here, this cancel, this 11 here, so this is 11 into 12.5 plus 7, so 11 into 19.5. Clear this? So 11 into 19.5 multiply. Clear this? This is, we check this, 214.5 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to the total surface area of toy. So my dear students, when is asking find the total surface area of toy, means CSA of conical portion plus CSA of hemispherical portion. Clear this? If you know the formula, pi r L, 2 pi r square, L you are not having L in the statement, then first you find out L 12.5, then you apply the formula, then you get the answer. So in this way, extra question also you can do. Thank you. Have a good day.